Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to play Starcraft II like a pro. Start by mastering a single build order and set camera hotkeys before practicing multitasking. Warm up with daily micro drills and focus on consistent worker production and supply timing. Track your resources and practice engagements in low-pressure matches. I will walk you through key timings, common mistakes, and simple routines to level up your play quickly and confidently. Build a reliable macro routine that includes constant worker production, timely expansions, and regular spending of resources. Practice a mental checklist, produce workers, build supply, invest in army, and expand when mineral income supports it. Use game speed to train muscle memory for building placement and hotkey selection. Small daily habits will compound, improving your economy and creating space to outplay opponents tactically. Improve micro by practicing common control groups and spell timing in custom games or VSAI. Learn to focus fire and use stutter step or kiting to trade efficiently. Use terrain and vision to ambush or avoid bad engagements, and always prepare escape routes for drops or harassment. Regularly replay your games to identify micro blunders and adjust your unit compositions and ability usage to counter common enemy approaches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.